6.2 truck's up and running again. Pretty much all the little noises are solved now after having cam come loose. Only thing that's left now you can sort of hear is sounds like on this side, a lifter that's a little bit loose, a little tick, tick, tick. Right there. I think there was a little more metallic knock earlier. I think I've got sorted out. Other than that, runs good. Took it around the block a couple times, played with it. Sounds pretty good now, but still not 100% sure of it, so I'm gonna take a little bit. It's not as hazy as it was before. Sounds nice and good. It still hazes though, so I got to do a little bit of timing adjustment on it and get it all sorted out. But other than that, truck's back up and running again.